I come in, I print my list, go out searching for the car, and then find the panel with the dent on it and remove dents from it, clean them up.
Being a PDR tech with Dent Wizard is a great job. Basically, you're fixing dents and dings on cars and making the outside look like new again.
We work mobily, as well as at some fixed locations. We service a wide array of customers, such as automotive dealerships, rental agencies, and auctions.
What I love about being a PDR tech is that every day is different. You have different cars, you have different types of dents, and even different locations you might be working at. You'll never be bored. And since each situation is different, you'll always be learning a new technique or come up with something you never dealt with before. That's when you rely on your teammates for help.
Dent Wizard offers career paths with 5 levels, from senior tech to world-class tech, each with bonuses, perks, and recognition. We're commission-based employees, so we have an unlimited earning potential. If you work hard and are efficient, you can make more than you do at other jobs.
For PDR, it's an 8-week program of paid training, and then afterwards you go into a shadowing style training behind a veteran tech who kind of teach you some more tips and tricks throughout the field. As a technician, you need to be able to work well with others, but also be able to work well independently. You'll need to have the personal drive to keep you moving forward every day without having anybody to tell you to do so, because it's a very independent job.
Something a candidate should know if they wanted to get into PDR is that it's not an easy trade to get into. It definitely takes some time and some patience to learn and perfect, but once that happens, it's very rewarding, and it's definitely you know, a career.
Dent Wizard supports me in a lot of different ways. They supply all the tools I could ever need. My manager is always a phone call away.
Working for Dent Wizard is the best decision I've made. It's a real career, and my coworkers are like family. I'd recommend this job to anyone.